name's Jeremy Taylor. I'm with Somax. Today at the wastewater treatment plant, we are installing the live bottom hopper. The live bottom hopper will hold the primary sludge feedstock feeding into the HTC process. Here on my left is the top part of the hopper. Inside of it's a leveling screw. What they're working on currently is the bottom portion of the hopper. They're installing the ravel arm, which keeps the sludge from bridging inside of the hopper. These two pieces are going to be going inside of the greenhouse today and put on their legs, and then also be installing the shafts on the bottom of the hopper. This will get installed. This moves the sludge from underneath the hopper and pushes it out of the chute into the pump. So now we're inside the greenhouse, and this is where the hopper is going to be going. And once the hopper is set and in place, we can start fitting all the other pieces of equipment inside the greenhouse. Sludge comes off of the belt conveyor. It drops into the incline conveyor, which takes it up and into the hopper. From there, the leveling screw keeps it from bunching up on the top. The ravel arm keeps it from bridging, and the two twin screws in the bottom push the sludge out into the inlet pump to the system. The next couple days and setting inside of here, it's going to include setting the reactor and the heat exchanger. Once those two pieces of equipment are set, it's really off to the races on getting everything else set and the piping done.